how to recover Gmail account without verification code, password, and phone number. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to recover your Gmail account even if you don't have access to your password, verification code, or phone number. So, if you've found yourself locked out of your Gmail account, stick around and follow these steps. Now, let's get started. The first step in recovering your Gmail account is to head to the official Gmail recovery page. Here's how to do it. Open your browser and go to the following link. This is the starting point for Gmail account recovery. So make sure you're on the official recovery page. Enter your Gmail account. Now Google will ask you to enter the last password you remember using with this account. Even if you don't know the exact password, try entering any password you've used in the past. If you can't remember any passwords, we can simply go to the another way. Simply click on try another way. Now, if you can't recall your password or the one you entered doesn't work, you'll see an option said try another way. Simply tap on it, and Google may ask you to simply open the Gmail app on phone and simply tap on the number that they sent you. If you also don't have this option, now another option is to send a verification link to a backup email address. If you've set up a recovery email address in your Google account, Google will send a verification link to that email. Simply check your backup email inbox for a message from Google and click on the verification link to reset your password. And that's it. These are some of the methods to recover your Gmail account without a verification code, password, or phone number.